Hello everyone, in today's video where I will show you how you can download any Windows ISO version on 2025. So first, make sure you prepare your bootable drive and then let's head on. First, you want to go to your browser and then search Microsoft ISO, which is Windows 11 or Windows 10. This is free from the Microsoft Store. So make sure you just click the first link. Make sure it's Microsoft. Once you're in the website, you're gonna go to the Create Windows 10 installation media. You wanna download this, and then here you're just gonna have to wait. This might take long depending on your internet PC. So just proceed here on the setup. And then once you're here, you're gonna go and select the Create Installation Media. Just next, and then you can just click that, or you want to choose whatever you want. But I'm just gonna go check this, use the recommended options for this PC. Then next, and then you're either gonna want to have the USB flash drive or ISO file. So in the flash drive, this might be tricky. I don't recommend you doing this, first of all, because if you have a loose USB connection, you might lost it and do the whole thing over again. So on ISO file, you select ISO file, then next, and then you're gonna have to choose where this Windows ISO file is gonna be located at. So yeah, and just make sure you save it. But I'm not gonna do any of this because I already have a lot. So yeah, that is how you download any Windows ISO version in 2025.